Do you think it works? And
Hashtags
what
work,
is
the way you told doesn't work. Hashtags
what is
do
the
work.
right way to use it?
The right way to use hashtag is, let's say,
જોર વિચાર કરવાનું ને મોજમાં રહેવાનું.
So, for example, if you want to really promote yourself organically on Instagram, what are the hacks that you'll really tell the viewers? Because that's something that everybody wants to know. That how do you reach that kind of, how do you gain those kind of followers? How do you really gain that organic reach, but with a less budget?
The moment I will answer this, a lot of people will unfollow me or they will leave the Instagram live right now, because I'll be very honest. There is no hack. Honestly, there is no hack. Hack is just a fancy term which people are using just to grab the attention, because the headline copywriting hacks and all those things people read. They write Instagram hacks, 5 Instagram hacks, and then they will watch the Instagram reel. Instead of that, if you try to do Instagram hacks, people will watch your reels less. So it's just a term which people are using. There are no hacks. It's pure hard work. You show me one marketer who is saying hack and actually doing hack, I'll delete my Instagram account. There is no hack. It's just pure hard work. So if somebody, let's say, if somebody is saying that, okay, fine, Instagram story hacks, start using hashtags which are generic, which are reaching in millions, and also some specific hashtags which are getting thousands of reach. So it's a combination of hashtags. Now, I personally don't use. Why? Because I don't need that. So people think that why am I not using hashtags? I'm like, I don't want that kind of reach. I'm just trying to put out value, a piece of content, out of which if one single person is getting some value today, I'm least worried about it reaching to 1 million people. All right. So my way of thinking for my own content is different. So I don't go for the hacks, and there is no hack. Second hack, let's say if you want to just use the locations in your Instagram story, it might pop up on the location story explore page as well. So there are plenty of them like that, and you can keep on using that. Now gone are those days of using you tagging 30-50 people on your Instagram post and then people trying to reach out to you. No, that won't happen. All right. So it's pure hard work which you have to do. You cannot just use hashtag love, hashtag fashion and all those things.
So like you said, I see a lot of people just, thinking that hashtags really work. And I've seen them, go to these websites and copy paste hashtags and then paste them onto their captions. Do you think it works? And
hashtags work, the way you told doesn't work. Hashtags do work.
Right way to use it?
The right way to use hashtag is, let's say if I'm starting a brand new account today, all right? Now, the first question which I'll ask myself is it for a personal branding account, just like Digital Pratik, or is it for a corporate brand, which might be, let's say, if this is a copper vessel, all right? So if my brand is selling this kind of...
having water in it.
Yeah. So if let's suppose if my brand is selling this kind of copper vessel, then this is kind of a corporate brand, an e-commerce brand. So now I have to focus on a different strategy when I'm putting up the hashtag. So I might use hashtags like copper vessel brands, or hashtag copper vessel, hashtag water in copper vessel, hashtag my brand name copper, right? Something like that, which would be specific, which would be branded. But I won't use hashtag just copper, because if you try to see hashtag copper, then it is very generic and it is irrelevant, because when you see in the insights, you'll be happy to see the number of reach because of the hashtag, but that is irrelevant.
That is irrelevant.
It is completely irrelevant. So just by looking at the insights and you looking at the number, if you are become happy, like it is gone are those days of you getting that right. Because for me, see, when I'm putting up some content and if I'm trying to sell my product, assume that I'm trying to sell my product, I'm least worried about it getting number of likes, comments and all those things. What I'm worried about is, am I getting number of leads which are getting converted into sales or not?
Right.
But while I am posting my content, I am least worried about that, because I'm not selling through that piece of content. I'm just trying to bring that value, which eventually leads to branding and awareness and all those things, top of the funnel. And then it leads for me to bring connections and then opportunities.
Right. So how important is there some kind of, segmentation of your hashtags? Like I've heard someone say that, X number of hashtags are for a larger reach, X hashtags are for a location reach. Is there some way by which, for our viewers to understand that, is there some simple kind of method or by which they can really start using hashtags?
See,
more effectively?
everybody has their own way. A lot of people say that use 5 hashtags out of those 30 hashtags in total which you can use. Try to use 5 hashtags which are generic in the sense which are having reach in hundreds and thousands or millions. Then try to use 5 to 10 hashtags which are a little bit less generic, meaning they might be reaching out to thousands, maybe 40,000, 50,000. And then a couple of bunch of them like your branded hashtags, like me, hashtag digital pratik, hashtag learn, apply, share, which are branded hashtags. But now assume, Upasna, if you go into search box right now and if you try to search hashtag digital pratik, you won't just see digital pratik's content. You will see bullshit content as well, because people are trying to use hashtag digital pratik in their content.
Right.
Just so that they think that they will be in that explore search page when people search hashtag digital pratik. So is it relevant to me? No.
Right.
So that's the reason try to reverse engineer that what is going to happen when you use certain strategies on Instagram or any kind of damn platform, and then
Right.
see that result and come back to what you have done. Is that making sense to your brand, overall brand? If not, then that hack or strategy is irrelevant. Gone are those days. These kind of things used to happen in 2015-16 and it used to give results. Why? Because at that point in time, the market was not saturated. Right now, Instagram is so saturated. Plus, the organic growth is on the verge of dying. So you cannot expect those kind of magical results which used to happen earlier.
જોર વિચાર કરવાનું ને મોજમાં રહેવાનું. મોજમાં.